All right, what's our thought of the week, Craig? Never use stock images again.
Following on from before, I think, this is not a HubSpot feature, but it's just an approach with Midjourney. We're creating all our images in Midjourney. I've got some examples of ones that we've been creating for some of the websites we look after. Just, they look so good. I mean, they're not, you can tell, like, if you really look, you can probably tell, but they just got to the point where they're photorealistic. This one, if you're looking on YouTube, this is a picture we created Midjourney of a professional woman in an office setting. Looks so real. I mean, look at her hair there. It's amazing. We've created ones, and she's got her hands look correct. There's a whole joke in Midjourney around the 5-finger hand problem, like people having 6 fingers and all this kind of stuff. So, bit of a joke. But yeah, conceptual stuff as well. Like, we're just creating so many things. And so why am I saying all of this? Because most listeners are probably doing this, or if they're not already, they're getting started. It's this whole idea of creating stock images. And so what we're doing now is we're going through our website, Zen, and we're doing HubShots as well. And I just never want to see a stock image again. So
there's
every
no
image,
reason to have a stock image, right, Craig?
Yeah, every image will be unique in the sense that we created it. So you won't see it anywhere else. And that's the future. I think there is some grey areas around copyright and licensing that is probably going to play out later in the year. But at the moment, we have a paid Midjourney account, so we actually have copyright ownership of those at the moment. So this, why? Yeah. Anyway, that's the thinking. And for most clients, they've probably got some stock image subscription somewhere, and they're pulling out the same crappy images, and you see them all over LinkedIn and Facebook time and time again. No, that's all going away. Just create your unique images. So, yeah, as I said before, what a time to be alive, Ian. I love it.